Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you an incredibly fun, creative and a truly unique way to start making money online. We'll be exploring how you can promote LEGO products and become an affiliate marketer. Now I know when you think about affiliate marketing and making money online, promoting Legos might not come to your mind. However, with LEGO's absolutely massive global popularity, the constant new theme releases, and giant licensed deals with movies like Star Wars and Harry Potter, it actually offers massive money-making potential as an affiliate. Here's exactly how the LEGO affiliate program works and how you can start profiting from it. When you join as an official LEGO affiliate partner at lego.com/affiliates, you gain access to special affiliate links that allow you to promote LEGO products across your website, social media profiles, YouTube channel, online forums, and anywhere else you can implement marketing content online. Then every time someone clicks on your unique LEGO affiliate link and actually purchases any LEGO or LEGO set, you as the referrer earn a commission on that sale. But how do you actually get started as a LEGO affiliate and go about building an audience and driving traffic in the first place? The very first step is that you'll want to visit linkshare.com and sign up to create your main LEGO affiliate account. Linkshare is the affiliate marketing platform, API, tracking software, and partner network that LEGO has chosen to integrate for their affiliate program, which is powered by Rakuten Advertising. Once you're on the Linkshare platform, you will enter all your basic personal contact information, website URL, and estimated audience details. They'll also ask for average monthly traffic metrics and crucially your primary business model classification. For this last item, make sure to select the content niche model, since we'll be focusing on LEGO specific niche content with this strategy. But don't worry too much if you don't have already a fully built out website, blog, or authority resource related to LEGOs quite yet. To get started and approved as a LEGO affiliate, you can use an existing Facebook group, Instagram account, a Pinterest profile, or even a YouTube channel, and then produce any type of content around your interests on. Now I'll be sharing with you this affiliate marketing strategy that will help you accelerate your affiliate marketing journey. This strategy will take you from having zero audience, zero authority, to building a profitable automated passive income stream through LEGO affiliate marketing. So for the first step, we need to pick a specific LEGO niche and angle. Either focus broadly on LEGOs in general or focus on a specific popular LEGO theme like Harry Potter, Star Wars, Marvel, Disney princesses, etc. This focuses your content creation around a clear niche. Next up, we need to set up your YouTube channel properly with branding including banners, logos, graphics. Obtain any basic video recording equipment needed like a camera, tripod, etc. and lighting kit for a professional look. Next, you need to brainstorm creative LEGO video ideas consistently and produce fun, high quality LEGO content on your channel. You can do unboxings, reviews, stop motion builds, animation shorts, tutorials, and all that stuff. Get creative, verbally feature your LEGO affiliate links. The next phase of this strategy is to focus initially on the core LEGO affiliate offer by driving traffic to their overall online store through your linkshare.net account. Later, you can build on this by adding bonuses like exclusive LEGO guides, building tips, or sale alerts to increase perceived value when visitors come from your channel. You need to find complementary affiliate programs with brands that align closely with the LEGO audience, such as other toys, kid activities, video games, movies, entertainment products, and the list goes on. Promote these relevant offers in your videos as well. The next step is to create special time-sensitive content around new LEGO releases, big movie events, holiday deals, and seasonal sales offers. You can capitalize on peaks in consumer demands for maximum commissions. For the next phase, we have the people phase. We'd have to build an email list by offering exclusive LEGO content like special building guides, inside access, or deals as a lead magnet incentive gate on your YouTube channel. Collect emails with a sign-up pop-up. And then you can follow up with your list through engaging email sequences that highlight your best LEGO affiliate promotions, deals, new releases, and any other offers. Also, a big tip is to continuously analyze your YouTube analytics, Linkshare reports, and affiliate campaign data to determine what type of LEGO performs best. Produce more and more of that consistently high converting content and scale up. If you implement this strategy, it will take you from having zero presence to building a sustainable passive income stream through your new LEGO affiliate marketing business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be helpful and enjoyable to watch, let us know in the comments and subscribe so that you don't miss out on similar content in the future.